Hello guys, this is Saeed Raza and today we are going to be talking about how to insert a glass door into a curtain wall. Uh, I was talking about this project, how to make curtain wall and then give it a roof, a different material roof and a slope to the roof. What I'm going to do, I'm going to insert a glass door into these panels. First of all, what I always suggest is check your north, east and west elevations. Everything is okay, seems good, and then start your project. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my 3D view, and let me change the view first. Let's say I'm going to be designing a door in this panel right here. What I suggest you go to, go to your door panel, load family. You may see your country's name. Go to doors, and these are the three doors which you can select and insert in your curtain wall. So I'm going to be selecting all three of them. Open, loaded, and now it's loaded. If I go to my architecture tab and select the door and then select one of these doors, I mean the wooden door, it's not going to be selected. So what's the trick? The trick is you hover over the vertical element, which is called the mullion, and it's highlighted. Do not click it, just hover over it. Press the tab a few times until you select the whole panel. Here we go. Click on it, left click, unpin it, unlock it, unpin it. And then you might have noticed there's something that changed on properties menu on the left side. Let me go back, select it again, see, select it. Once you unpin it, there's something that's going to show up on properties menu. Unpin it, and here we go. The doors that you loaded actually goes right here in curtain wall system. So select the drop down menu and then select the glass door. Now it's a glass door. I'm pretty sure you cannot see it because we don't have a good view of it. You can change the view to fine, and here we go. You can see the handle. So this door is seeming like it's pretty wide. What I suggest you go to level 1, and here you go. You can see the door here. When you hover over this element, this tiny element, which is the mullion, there's a blue line that shows. Select the blue line, unpin it, and it shows you the width of the door, which is 1.4. You can keep it, let's say, 1 meter or 0.8 meters. Actually, you know what? 1 meter. Here we go. Shrinks down to 1 meter. You can also select this one and then unpin it. Either side is going to work. Let's say if I do 0.7 meters, it's going to shrink again. Okay, what if I want to do two doors at the same time? Double door, I mean. Go to my 3D view, select either of the walls. Which one should I select? I'm going to go with let's say this one, this side of the building. Select the vertical mullion again, hover over it, and select it, unpin it, and simply delete it. As you can see, there's a line which is showing here. It means that there's two glass panels. I want to make it one glass so that I would be able to load my double door over here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to select these first, select it, unpin it, and delete it. And I want to make these two as one piece. So you see the dashed lines here. There's a dashed line here. Select it, and it shows add remove segments. Remove it, press delete. Now it has become a single panel. Here we go. It has become a single panel now. Now I can insert my double door. Hover over the vertical element, press the tab a few times until you get the whole piece. Where did it go? Here we go. So you unpin it, go to the properties menu, and select either of them. Here we go, there are your doors. You can also actually, you know what, on the first door that we designed, there's something that I forgot. Press the door, I mean select the door, and press the tab, or maybe you can just cancel it and then start pressing the tab here. Press the tab key until you go over here. Here we go, unpin it and delete it, because if you are designing it, if you see it like in a real life, uh, if somebody steps on it, they can fall. So make sure you delete them, and I also delete them on for the store initially. If I want to change the width of these doors, the double doors, I can go back on my plan view or my my floor plan view, select one of these tiny, boxes, and see what happens. Here we go. Once you select one of them, press the tab, and then you will see a vertical blue line. Unpin it, and you can change the width of it. Let's see, if you want to keep it 1 meter, you press 1 and then enter, and then do the same thing over here. I know it's a little bit hard to select because it's so tiny. Here we go. Unpin it and then hit 1. Boom. Go to your 3D view and see you have changed the width of your double doors. If you have any question, please do not forget to comment.